for Mother Teresa to be here, because this is a Christian and this is India, remember. This hostel is also named after Mother Teresa. This is day 3 of touring Peru. It's that big. We can't cover this in one day. This is Parul University, guys. Stop playing. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys around Parul University. We've just arrived. As you can see, Parul University. So still with me, it's like one of the best universities in India. You can see the NACA++, which is like a very difficult ranking to get, and Parul has a ranking. So come with me, I've got my friend here that's gonna show us around the university. Ooh. I like this school actually, I like it. I mean, for starters, take a look at that. They've got those trolleys you'd see at the airport, right? You can use for your luggage, which is nice because it's very big. It's easy for anyone to move the luggage from here to the room. So when you enter Parul, this is what you're gonna see first. They've got this building. This is the admin block, and you've got the idol here, and this is probably a statue, and you've got the luggage screen area, and you've got these trolleys as well, and that's it. Right there is the Faculty of Pharmacy. We've got this way, and you've got this way. You've got two ways. What does this way lead to?
It's to the third gate and other faculties there.
Alright, but for today's video, we're gonna be going through this way. So we've got this dog. It's when you come in, it's going to perceive your luggage to see if
you have anything in it.
If you've got any contraband inside of it. They've got cameras, yeah, everywhere. But not as much as Mawadi though.
Why do you have to put it in the video? The bike.
I'm gonna show them. Just not put it down like this, and it's locked. No one can take it without my permission, without my phone. Isn't that cool? Let me check yours.
Why are you taking it on video?
This is the pharmacy faculty. All pharmacy students could just, it's very close to the gate. From here, that's the gate. Just come to your faculty. Semester 1 through semester 8 is where they have their classes. And after pharmacy, we have the Ayurvedic hospital, which is like, what's Ayurvedic? Do you know what that is?
It's more like the study of herbal plants.
Yeah, it's like herbal things, like it's the Indian thing. They're going to teach you how to treat someone without the white man's drugs type. It's usually the Indian way. And then we have this roundabout here. We go with the Indian flag. That way leads to where? What does it lead to?
Other engineering faculties.
Okay. And for you, where do you have the classes?
Most engineering students have their classes there. A block where the admin block is.
Okay, so that's where they have their classes.
And that's the admission block. So here we have the administrative block where you pay your fees, you come and do anything that involves fees or anything that deals with finance.
Okay.
And you also have most engineering faculties along with the administration building.
Okay.
So when they have examinations or whatnot, they do here.
Okay, that's cool. Today is Sunday though, we're making this video, so.
Degree, most BTech is here. Diploma students go to the other side, if I'm correct.
Wow.
I'm telling the That's nice, right?
It is good.
We have the admin cell here. And this is the hallway, ground floor for engineering faculty. It's more of like a hall of fame.
You have this very grandiose entrance. Like I said, this is the weekend, so starting here. We've got this aquarium. It's just nice, actually. It's really good. Got the fishes. Wow, this is nice, guys. Parul is cool. It's just, this place should have had some air conditioning, you know?
They have.
Student section. But like, what do you guys do exactly?
Here. Classes, we have our classes.
Like, what department has classes here?
Paramedics.
Paramedics, like what inside paramedics?
Paramedics, we have cardiology, neurology,
Okay.
laboratory.
Okay.
We have anesthesia,
Wow, that's nice.
clinical medicine.
It looks very nice though.
It is nice.
So what other things are in this building? Do you guys have like laboratories and stuff?
Yes, we have laboratory.
So
we have several.
everything is done within this building?
No, the library is outside. It's in the other building, the other medical building.
Well, all your classes are held in this building.
Yes, of course.
It's nice.
medical building.
This is the part of the medical building. So this is the thing at Parul. They have a lot of what's it called? Statues. So they have a lot of statues like everywhere you go, which is kind of cool. Makes it look like a proper university. And they also have where you could sit, like a lot of empty spaces to relax, refresh. And if you look there, you'd see that has some sort of, I don't know what they call it, but it can literally rotate type of stuff, you know. It's cool. It looks like a proper university. Something that Mawadi does not have. For Mother Teresa to be here as, like, it's crazy because this is a Christian and this is India, remember. And this hostel is also named after Mother Teresa. So it says a lot about how open-minded the university is. There's a hostel. This is under construction. I don't know what it is yet though. Also under construction as well. This building, what's it for?
So courses related to
Engineering?
no
Computer?
IT, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It has a lot of IT labs there.
So this is the IT building. It's kind of very huge. How many floors is it?
11, 12 maybe.
And that's crazy. And that's like the nicest building in Parul. That one right there. That's where the design department is, right?
Yep. Art.
What building is this called? Is it hostel?
No, it's a mental facility.
Is it what?
Mental facility.
For you. Alright, but we'll take it there. You just say hostel, right?
It's another mental facility.
This is crazy. We've got a lot of hostels here. Look at how big this is. It's a hostel. And right adjacent, they have another hostel as well. And right there is another hostel. Like, right there is another hostel. We've got infinite number of hostels. And then you've got your water thingy. If you want water, you can just get your water from here. It's kind of cool, right?
Indian girls hostel. The ones down there were boys.
Oh, okay. And this is this design and arts building. We're still at Parul. This is day 3 of touring Parul. It's that big. We can't cover this in one day. So today, I'm going to show you guys the art and design building. It's like the finest building in Parul, as far as I'm concerned. Right now, 2025. The finest. These are the hostels for the girls. The Indian girls, as I was told, and this is the design building. Show it to them. We're at the Faculty of Design, Parul University. It's like the finest place as far as I'm concerned in this university. As you can see, Faculty of Design, Faculty of Fine Arts, Faculty of Performance Arts, School of Leadership, all of that. It's in this building. I wish I had a drone to show you guys this beauty. It's really cool.